but they recently tag you to a particular list. Nice, appreciate the government of Lagos. They talk say thank you for what you do for recognizing some artists. You can't talk say get people where they never add to the list. Adi Kapasa, Lil Kesh. They can't add you to the list. I see get the post here. They can't talk say even Ayo Maff supposed to get name of streets.
Inside
It is say you deserve them.
I beg you, I won't get name of streets. I beg you. Like if they think I deserve it, it's fine. But if they think I don't, I beg. I don't want it. I don't know. I'll say where I grew up.
Where's
I
that?
think the name is Bailey Street, I guess.
Where be that?
Yeah, I grew up in Shomolu Bariga.
Shomolu Bariga.
That's Shoms
They
now.
are different of it, but
Shoms.
like particular street I grew up like where we say, I think Bailey.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bill.
All right, Bailey.
We be 89.9 Yanga FM.
All right, we don't land back on top 89.9 Yanga FM. And we tell you, say, on top, make we know we get artists way born inside the studio. And we want to make you know some certain things about her because this artist na person where we say is sabi and na person we don't do a lot for the world of sports. Yes, talking of sports, you know, say WAFCO they don't finish the summer Moroccans, and then this very person now one strong important footballer for inside the matter.
In fact, in just come back, from congratulating our people we don't win the WAFCON, and we're just like, you know what, this sports career where you don't they do it to make sense, and we just we say what better time to have this conversation if not now.
Yeah, Ayo Maff, the footballer. What's up? How you there now?
Well
Yeah.
You didn't see this coming.
You they sing for the football match where they play.
Abio, if you like say they won't sign you.
Yeah, which football club where you want enter next?
Let's say Manchester United.
Manchester United.
Now you play before. Now the team where they play with.
In they confused. We like say, I don't understand. These people don't know who I be.
I know what you guys are doing.
What are we doing?
I see it's coming. Don't worry.
You see what
we like say you dream for night, see us for in dream. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to 89.9 FM. Now Franco, we know who you be now.
Don't worry, I see everything.
You see everything.
I don't observe.
Now Ayo Maff dey inside studio. We say make you let us know who be the guests where we get for inside studio, and people they like say they now woman they even think say we get for inside studio. Somebody say Stella Damaso, someone say Nabuchi. Like say they want promote their movie, but no.
Come, we not there.
So now Ayo Maff we get inside studio today. How you doing now? How body?
I'm good. I'm chilling.
You're chilling.
I'm active.
You're
Now
active.
PG no. And I know so he's a bit speak PG now, man.
He be street boy now, prince of the streets, Abi.
I'll be now.
Oh yeah now. So I mean, with all the kind accolades where you don't they get now, how they make you feel? I mean, with such a short period of time, you don't get this, this fame, this exposure, this visibility. How they make you feel as a person?
Yeah, I could say grateful. I'm grateful, and at the same time, I would say it's making me feel okay. It's time to keep going more. That's it.
Because you know why I ask this question. There's some people where they work for years and they never even get a fraction of waiting you don't get in such a short time. So waiting you think say be your source where they make you just escalate, just level up in a short period.
I can't see myself now. I don't feel see myself. So I don't feel.
You don't say don't blow.
I don't know.
You never blew.
They see people they scream your name for this thing concert.
I don't know.
You see
He's
that
trying to be humble. He's
you want
trying to
to
be
humble.
I love
You see that Somalian artist where they call for Davido events where you want sing everybody not talk. But your own no day like that when you sing everybody they scream. Okay, so more could talk about this recent something. They recently changed a particular bus stop where we know that bus stop they rain Charlie Boy they change them to our dear Olamide
Bado bus stop.
You don't hear them.
Yeah, so
What do you make you feel? What do you get to talk about them?
I don't have anything to say about it, man. It's up to people that change it. I don't know, man. I don't have anything to say. Trust me.
And they're talking about get anything to say, but they recently tag you to a particular list. Nice, appreciate the government of Lagos. they talk say thank you for what you do for recognizing some artists. He can't talk say he get people where they never add to the list. Adi Kapasa, Lil Kesh. They can't add you to the list. I see get the post here. They can't talk say even Ayo Maff supposed to get name of streets. It is say he deserve them.
I beg you, I won't get any more streets. I beg you.
There's something nice see for you and waiting you don't create.
I feel like if they think I deserve it, it's fine. But if they think I don't, I beg. I don't want.
Nobody say they fight for
you. They beg government may no name you. They beg and make
I don't know anyone, man. Trust me, man. I don't want to get involved in anything like that. I just
okay, so Moko assume say the government don't listen, Abi.
And they say make you
choose a street
any area
for this
Lagos.
Our Lagos where you want to make them swap
Ayo
to
Maff Street.
Ayo Maff. It's sweet, oh.
For inside Google, let me just even check.
Ayo Maff Street. Anybody we don't get out, tell them change them.
Oh,
so
yeah,
which street do you prefer?
Which street do you think you like in Lagos? We go jail with your name.
God, I beg.
Prince of the streets now.
Name of street.
This supposed ginger you.
I don't
Which
know.
Area?
I don't know. I'll say where I grew up.
Where's that?
I think the name is Bailey Street, I guess.
Where be that?
Yeah, I grew up in Shomolu Bariga.
Shomolu Bariga.
That's Shoms
they
now.
are different of but
Shoms.
the like particular street I grew up like where say, you know, I think Bailey.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bailey.
All right, Bailey. All right. You can change up to Ayo Maff Street.
Bailey to Ayo Maff very
I
soon.
understand now. Okay. 89.9 Young Guy FM station with Sabi. We still get Ayo Maff for Inside Studio. If you want to ask him any question, people send us message on top WhatsApp.
So they on top the matter, no come out go anywhere, and he get some new release. Then we drop on top the matter. Go live, listen to him. Stay with us.
Head and back by Fireboy DML on top 89.9 Young Guy FM station with Sabi from the album Adeja Mola. And as we play the song, we see just Ayo Maff just they know, just they sing song back to back. We like say you co-wrote the song. The kind of excitement where you get. What's your relationship with you and Fireboy DML?
Yeah, that's my big brother right there. Trust me.
I know, right? I mean, your collaboration with him on Dealer was like a
big deal.
In a blockbuster, a hit, and they like, you know, it was just trending, it was viral. Do you feel you were overshadowed on that track, or you know, it opened more doors for you?
Trust me, he blessed me. Yeah.
Right.
That's it.
Amazing. Do we expect more collaborations with other artists?
Of course.
Who are you? Who do I know? You say I can't say.
Let's keep it in the bag.
Wait.
But not keep her for bag. Bag dot here. Bring a mat.
Bring a mat.
Of course, now I just dropped Prince of the Street, and there are,
You know.
like, you know, there's Shay, there's TK, you know, there's Buju Benson, there's
Yeah.
Tukutela, you know. So it's going.
Amazing. So I've been want to ask this question. You know, so you're currently signed with Empire Distribution, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So it be like say there will be one quanta where we don't see on top social media, and I like where we say, you know what, the person day here, let him clear
the air. Not time to run round the corner. Say it.
Do you understand? Tunes beads. What really happened? What transpired? Is it a bittersweet relationship, or how you go take explain the kind of relationship you get with your former record label?
Yeah.
I don't know. Trust me, I don't really know about the side of how do I want to put it, the business part.
Right.
So I think the question shouldn't be for me, should be for my management.
For your management.
Yeah.
So they don't give you any heads up. You just say you don't know about them.
Yeah, trust me, I don't know.
Okay, but now where you don't move from Tunesbeat to Empire, you still not get anything to say about the move, or you just like as they push you, they go, you just they follow, they go, right?
As long as I say ha on the stage and my fans say ha, that's all for me.
That's all for you.
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll talk about the next big thing for you now. This song we don't drop, and you know, say some people they look forward to which other international actor won't work with. You know, say Nigerians now they love the beautiful thing what I see us they do with they collabo with international acts them. And they don't even they do them like say they beg them, then they jump on them because they feel they need to want to do something with Nigerian artists. So which person we go to say but like say something I want to work with this person, them this period international act them for inside the matter.
Yeah, the list is long, man. Trust me.
Just drop
start
two.
by saying, yeah, Central C, Travis Scott,
Now you won't work with.
Yeah, a lot, man. You said I should say two, right?
Yeah, just two
A
is
lot.
fine. Travis Scott.
Yeah, Travis
So if in the year
Scott
with you, what you go tell him? Send him a message.
I'll just, definitely appreciate his music.
Truthfully, you go just tell him, say, I appreciate your music.
Of course.
Okay, fine.
All right. It's 9.9 Yanga FM station with Sabi. We still get Ayo Maff for Inside Studio, and in they just talk about his new body of work and of course just everything around him, surrounding him. If you were to pick the social media platform where they engage with you the most, which one will go be?
TikTok.
Tinder.
TikTok.
TikTok. Why you say TikTok?
That's it's TikTok. You understand? That's why.
That's
They
why.
talk they tick financially,
Just
physically. If
it's
they
fun
tick.
there.
It's fun there, yeah.
Yeah, no, like you don't know when when time don't go. That's why it's called TikTok. TikTok is
And you just have fun on the
relaxing.
amazing.
Just watch different kind of videos. Yeah.
Okay. All right. We'll definitely be wrapping things up in a moment with Ayo Maff. But then again, let's jam more music from Ayo Maff. Yes, so we still get Ayo Maff in the building. He be the prince of the streets. The album don't come out, and you know what? We're so excited for you. We love you. But sometimes you go to the Ayo Maff when they talk here and then prince of the streets.
It too calm. So Moku hear you talk in your Shomolian language.
Is it Shomolian? Shom's language.
Shom's language. You understand? Let's say you want to hail Omo Igboro. How you going to hail them?
Okay. Afana je kinlo idon mi shaun na ko shoke sound boys ko seru le je ojunbe o se tiri afunima obe omo ya mi. Jeko de.
Jeko Debe. I hear that one. Say let us get to the place. No waiting me. Jeko Debe.
Okay, I hear you, sir. But I mean, as the prince of the streets where you be, you feel the kind recognition where they get now. They still make you feel like that's prince of the street. You still feel connected to your people then.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Because I mean, location go change.
Exactly.
Your new network go change.
Great.
So does that still make you feel connected to the people, like the streets where you come from?
Okay, PJ. Yeah.
Try. You feel do
I did connected with it, trust me, because like my friends with the hood, like
Right.
I still they follow them talk, like we still they link up, we still they play, we still they, so I'm connected one way or the other, and I still like just go to the hood in the middle of the night.
Okay.
Even though I can't experience the full daylight thing.
So that make them not rush you.
Yeah. no really, like it's just, you understand, Sha.
Right.
But I still they go most times, like for night when I just want to go chill with my guys.
Love it for you, because some people once they become celebrity like this,
There are plenty for my list without done
to my PA. My PA go talk. We go schedule an appointment for next week, and I like the fact say you still dey real with your people. Them see
connect to the nature.
love it. So your songs 98.9% of your songs, aside the vibes, good energy, they also talk about police brutality and just being an advocate of some sort. Have you ever been in that kind of situation? Like, have you ever experienced?
They don't do it before.
You mean the police stuff?
Yes.
Yeah. There's like no young boy will come from hood we never face one or two from Popo now. You understand what I'm saying? So nobody say with the cap
right.
Something with
na reality.
Yes now for shows.
I like say you don't get them.
Then now one yellow small korokwe that they use. So if you don't start that yellow korokwe, just know say it's just japa. Just mezebu one time.
Waiting one advice the police authority them. Because if you like say it be like say they stereotype a lot of people, especially guys with colored hair, dreads, we get tattoo, we pierce. Waiting you want if you get opportunity to sit with police authority now. Waiting go yan.
I don't know, man. Trust me. My own is I wouldn't like to even advise anyone. Trust me. So my own is just be calm with us. We're young and getting it.
Right.
That's all.
Okay, so I go like Moko just wrap up because no time. But I know say people don't send us question. One among the question we people go like know now about your parenting. Okay. When you start music, was this something that your parents accepted? Then be reject them, or at some point they come be like, Ayo Maff, small they can't accept the fact that he be musician.
You know Nigerian parents now. African parents generally, they want me to go school.
Make you read medicine.
My home mom is very big on this NYSC uniform. Trust me, she's very big and she really like, But growing up, I know music don't be my thing since like day one. Music na my blood, na maybe music. You understand? So me, I just did do my thing, they go. Even though say I did do school, I just did do my thing, they go say more.
So the school way they do, hence music now your thing now just because say your mama say he wants to make you wear NYC uniform.
One way or the other, but apart from that, everybody wants to be more enlightened and educated.
Right. So education is key.
You understand? Maybe key to a lot of things though. But at this point,
it not be key for you. Have thrown the key for the water.
Make them go find out for inside ocean.
Basically,
But wait, how you go talk to other people, because waiting you don't talk now the reality. Let's not even mince words.
Yeah, a
lot of people just feel I go make money legit way, doing other things. I know suppose go school, but we not fit disregard education.
Yes, now like because there are some rooms where you go step in. You being more educated will like help you out of the room with a good result. You understand? But if you're not educated, I don't think. I think you would flop in some aspects. So to some extent, education is it. Education is very important.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Ayo Maff in the building. What do they call your fans? You get name?
Mafians.
Mafians
are active.
They are active. Oh yeah, now shout out to your Mafians on top.
Yo, some of my people anything. Mafians, we active, we outside. You know what I'm saying? The Prince of the Street is here. You are the people that made Ayo Maff the Prince of the Street. I just dropped the new album Prince of the Street out on all platforms. Forget the fact that it's Ayo Maff, F this boy. Stream by so that mama go feature.
This guy be marketing.
If you give Alaba International, go Ayo Maff don't come. He don't come. Buy a copy for Wake Road now.
All right now, 89.9 your guy from Station Way Savvy. Thank you so much for stopping by. We like your we like your composure. We like you just calm. Yeah. Humility choke.
I can't learn steez from you.
And we pray say your era will no go dim. Go just global visibility.
Amen,
that what we want for you be that. And of course say this place now home. You can always come back here and which one me?
Yanga FM.
The way you gonna be home to you.
Is this your laugh? I don't like.
Don't try it. If you block, we call you at. I say it's a home.
You say it's a home.
Please say it. This place is home.
Yanga FM. It's 9.9 FM. Lagos is a home. Trust me.
I love it.
Thank you very much.
All right now, ensure say you follow of us on all social media platforms at Yanga 89 Nigeria, and of course this conversation go there on top YouTube.
Exactly.
So